intend to give them as the Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Moderator. I'm sure you also permitted to stand up my colleague. But I think in this range, I'm just to oppose this. And I will explain it to you. My brother, friend, and colleague says he's not going to the state to make any laws. And the National Assembly is not an executive position. It is actually a law chamber where you make law. And he accepts all of that he's not going there to make law. So he is out of the race. Thank you. But on the more serious note, one has to appreciate where he's coming from. But if you remember my antecedent, in 2003, I came out with what we call the contract to people, where we stated clearly what we wanted to do in 4 years. And I think a large number of people believe that we did what we promised. In the course of the second term, we came to what we call the agenda for security. That document was well publicized, and everything that we said we wanted to do to secure the future of the state, we started it. One of them is the cargo airport, the 15 port, the ferry, and so on and so forth. This time around, we're not going for an executive position. But in this document, where I got experience counts, and I'm going to ask our people to please release some of these documents to all of you. You will see what we have said we're going to do. On page 3, it's a 16-point agenda. My brother said all laws have been made. That's not true. When you look at the collapse of government today, it's because the local administration has collapsed. And part of what I want to do is to go and activate the law to ensure that local government administration is not just dependent when you look at what has happened to our disabled people, as an engineer in the education system, we still have not done all the laws we need to do. If laws are done properly, there will be no building that is a public building that does not have what's called accessibility. That law is not there. We have to go and make that law. The law of healthcare is not in place yet. There are opportunities to have subsidized healthcare system, but it has to be legalized. What has happened today, and I think what my brother is referring to, is that we need the laws that exist. A serious person can still do what he has to do. But it is important that the laws are done clearly and openly, so that anybody who gets into a position as a position and fails to implement the law, that one will have to face the consequences. That's the essence of making laws. Like I said, there are 16 points that were clearly enumerated in this document. 16-point agenda. And at the end of my first tenure, in 2027, by the grace of God, I will come to you and say, these are the 16 points, and these are the things that we've been able to achieve. That's where I want to stop for now. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Otunba Gbega Daniel Fe. Listeners at home and those of us in the hall here, what we are having is the Wednesday 2023 political debate coming out of here live on Nile FM 93.9. We are expecting calls from you at home.